Hello, welcome. I'm going to give you all a little tour of the train layout. We have the Santa Fe Chief about to leave, Super Chief, leaving from the train station. And we're going to go with it as best we can. He goes fast. Hold on. Try to get ahead of him. He's on a mission. I'm down here at the fountain. And we have some new things to show you all today. We got a few more buildings out here. Here comes the freight train. Have a country house here, a little farmhouse. And then we have some blocks of wood. That's for something else. We have a saloon. We don't have it lit up yet. And then, of course, Dallas Union Station. And now we have our nice hotel that you all saw at my couch in the rectory. We have it out here now. And we have some other buildings that you can see over that direction. We're going to go over that away here in a moment. Comes the freight train. And here comes the passenger train. Hopefully y'all can see its headlights coming. There he comes. We have the big bridge over here. And yes, I have a caboose on the back of the passenger train. Don't judge me. Here's the bridge. Over here in town, we now have a dollar store. Dollar store is here, y'all. And we have a grocery store. Y'all can look inside. They got everything going on here. And over here we have the train yard, which has been added on to. Comes the freight train. We have Snyder Freight. We'll take a look at it from the other side. There's important things over there you'll want to see, but this is one side. Then we have the dog food factory, which you all saw in the rectory by my couch. We now have it in its new permanent home. And then we have my Pepsi Cola factory. And we even have a Mountain Dew delivery truck down here. That's important too. The train brings things and then they ship it out on the truck. And then here's the train yard. We have a bunch of freight cars, cabooses and things lined up over here. Coming on the other side of the freight yard, here comes the freight train. That caboose is holding on for dear life. And over here on this end of the freight yard, and you all probably remember seeing this by my couch, but we have the freight building. We have the little guy on the loader, little forklift thing. He's bringing stuff in and out to be loaded into boxcars, and we have a boxcar sitting here being loaded. It's important stuff. There goes the passenger train. And that's the layout today, what we have going on. Of course, there will be much more ahead. Hope y'all have a great evening. I'll catch y'all later.